So the Joe Pye weed seems ready. So I'm going to take the seeds from this. For now, I'm just going to put it in a little baggie. But I've got it, I think I have to put this in, I'm not sure if I'm supposed to put it in like a paper envelope or if plastic is fine. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to look at that, see online how to do that. But first of all, you always got to be sure before using your nippers, spritz it with a little bit of alcohol. You don't want to make your plant sick. So I don't need, that much. I'm still gonna take maybe this here. I don't need all of this, but I'm still gonna take that. See, now each of these is a seed. So I'm just gonna put this in the bag here and label it. Well, I know what it is right now, so I'll label it later. So that's for the Joe Pye. We'll try to get some more of this going in another area of my garden. Now I have the echinacea, the powwow here. Hang on. This is a hybrid cultivar. And I would like to leave these, well, there's a lot. I want to leave them for the birds because they like to eat these seeds here. But I do want to also collect a few of them. And because they're hybrids, it doesn't necessarily mean that next year, when I plant these, that next year that they'll come out as the powwow, the white powwow. It might, some of the plants might, some of them might not. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna snip there, put this in here. I don't need any more than that. You know what? Maybe if I grab a second one, because I don't know if, I'll just grab a second one. And just in case. So I'll put this in here. So these are going to be ready for planting in maybe February or something like that. January, February. I'm going to be getting ready to get these in some dirt here. I'm anxious to see how they turn out. So up here, way up there, I have some hollyhocks. Is it the Black Knight? I'm trying to remember the name of it. The other day I took one of these seeds and there was a bug in it. It just jumped right out at me. So I think this one's pretty much ready because it's crunchy and crispy. And I'm just gonna grab that. I'm gonna back this up. Grab this and put it in here. Oh, it fell on the ground. Where are you? There you are. So the seed's in there. It's best to let the seed mature. It's like cut off in the sense that it died down right at the tip here, right here. So that pretty much means it's ready, logically. So this one too, I guess, is it? Seems pretty crispy. I don't know, we'll see. They seem pretty crispy. I had a few that just fell, so. Oh, sorry, ladybug. I'm just gonna let these continue drying out. I'll be collecting more of these. Okay, so I have this ginger love fountain grass here. I love these grasses. I am going to attempt to take the seeds. I think they're ready because as soon as I, just pull on it a little, they're falling out. I don't know, huh? How about this one here? Are you ready? I should probably just take one of the stems like this. And let's see if these are ready. I'm not sure if they're ready. I think I'll wait for these. So I'm trying to propagate from cuttings. I have 2 that are surviving to this point. But I do want to try and see if I can get some seeds from this buddleia and try to grow it from seed. It should be ready. They seem to be coming off. They're crispy, so